Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 30th, 2021. I wanted to show you all today the video on Progenity. You guys can see I did a price prediction. I was looking for the market to continue to go up, and look at it. It didn't. I'm going to keep it real. The price in Progenity did not go up, and this is one instance to where we didn't get our price prediction correct. Just kind of show you that, yeah, you will make some mispredictions as to where the market's going to go. It's not 100%. And I wanted to show you instances to where it doesn't go right, because I do show you the instances to where it does, and this is one to where it doesn't. All right, so before I talk about what I'm looking at into the market of Progenity now, make sure you keep it locked in here. You know, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to confuse you, right? Don't worry about that. I'm not going to talk about technical indicators. I'm not going to talk about RSIs, MACDs. I'm not going to try to sell you some expensive cheat code that's going to give you all the winning trades into the world. None of that. I'm just going to simply look at what the market is trying to tell us based on price bars and volume so that we can see where price is going to go. So if you guys appreciate that, you know, share the love, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on our price predictions. So now real quick, November the 17th, right? I've been paying attention to the market of Progenity. Once you understand the market, you don't have to spend 15-30 minutes looking at price charts, looking at technical indicators, trying to figure, okay, where price is going to go. I've been eyeing the market, and I've already seen that right there around $5 was where the sellers really came in. Yeah, and it's not a coincidence. We've already spoke about that in the market in Progenity. I mean, that's why we have this ascending line. I mean, this horizontal line right here. We knew that. It was the risk. And the sellers definitely came into the market in Progenity here on November the 19th and November the 22nd. The buyers could not uphold price in Progenity. So that lets me know, yeah, this strength that I anticipated back there on the 17th of November is not there. So this is how you're able to know when to cut the play and minimize those losses. So were you able to get out the play around $4, is 31% loss. If not, if you were to get out on the close yesterday, that's 46.5%. Right? The market weakness cannot be maintained. And one of the things that I wanted to show you about today is that weakness may in fact continue. Not only did we see price in Progenity get rejected at $5, we are also noticing that price is breaking the trend. Now this is what we don't need. Price in Progenity needs to continue to trade above this ascending line for us to know that the buyers are definitely trying to keep price from dropping. And right now we're not seeing that based on what happened yesterday in the market in Progenity. So let's take a look at this on a 3-day perspective, right? Because I'm going to show you something on a monthly perspective in Progenity that kind of lets me know that, yeah, we might hit $2.50 or even $2 in the long term. Okay. Now, this is the 3-day. Yeah, we're still showing the weakness here into the market in Progenity. So we already need to think about, okay, if we're still seeing weakness in Progenity, how low can the market go then? We don't have too far to go. So I'm not going to explain to you that the market is going to collapse or that price is going to plummet. We just simply need to eye on the price chart where can support be found. And right now, it's about two areas. First one, I'm seeing around $2.80. My second area is $2.50. My third area is around $2. Okay, so we got $2.80, $2.50, $2. Those are the three levels that we need to see buyers appear into the market, because if we don't, then the market is going to be stagnated and consolidate. Right? So let me show you the reason why in the long term we can see the price in Progenity go down. Let's show you all from a monthly perspective, since today's the last day of the month. Let's look at this, because this is the reason why we can see a pretty sustained movement to the downside. This lets us know the month of November, the price in Progenity was able to hit up there higher than $6. During the month, we traded up there towards $6. But now we're closing down towards $3. Now, I can already see it though. Okay, so December, we can still see price hold support right here. Okay, $3. We can still see that. Now, am I really convinced that that's going to happen? No, I'm not, based off the price bar that I'm getting for the month of November. So if I was to give it like a percentage chance of us seeing the market in Progenity hold $3, I would say maybe around 15-20% chance that we can see price in Progenity hold $3 and start to go up, right? So that would have to draw my attention to the next level then. From a monthly perspective, it's down here towards $2.15. All right. So since I'm not looking for the price in Progenity to go, I'm going to get rid of that ascending line. And pretty much what I'm getting at is that, yeah, price in Progenity looks just to trade within a channel, consolidate. Okay. But within that consolidation range right now, we're seeing a weakness here. Okay. Let's go ahead and create that channel real quick. Now, yes, $5 is restriction, but now this level also is going to be acting as a restriction point into the market in Progenity. So now what I'm really getting at is that this is where we need to see the price trade. Okay. This is it. Now, I've already told you $2.80, $2.50, $2. So let's show you all now what we have in terms of movement. Okay, so we can see $2.80 will give us around almost 11%. 250 movement to the downside is around 19.25. $2.15 is around 31%. Okay, so I'm gonna put it there around $2.15 for us to see the market move in Progenity. And now our restriction area, I'm bringing it down a little bit closer here towards 4. Okay, I'm gonna play the weakness into the market in Progenity until we see price break back up above $4. The moment we see price break back above $4 is not the moment to pull the trigger, but it lets us know on the next weakness, on the next leg down above $4 and price still supports at $4, that's the time to jump into the market and buy, because it tells us that the buyers are still in control. Yeah, this is how you're able to do this without the confusion. You have a plan. You guys know when to get in and when to get out. But until that time, we will have to play the weakness, and for the long term, just look for the market to consolidate within these two lines overall. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing this area right here. So I'm gonna bring down this channel. All right, so that's it. I'm done. This is my updated price prediction into the market Progenity. Again, am I seeing a bullishness into the market? No, I'm not right now. I'm looking to play some weakness, not a lot of weakness, but yeah, we got some prices, you know, some lower prices to contend with, and hopefully the buyers will step in sooner rather than later, because the sooner the better for us to see price come back up there and trade above $4. If we continue to drop in the market in Progenity, hit 250, then yeah, might want to be prepared for the market to try to do a quick touch around $2.15. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Let me know about your thoughts about Progenity. Where do you think the market price is headed? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Just let me know. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.